excited to see Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, they hit me at too early last time.
You excited? We're gonna have a lot of fun. Say cheese. Right here, right here, right here. Over here. Oh yeah, you gonna show him your shirt? And your shorts. I'll show him your shirt. And the shorts. You got a whole outfit. Yeah, that's you. Yeah, he's your favorite. You want to give him a hug? Good job, buddy. Do you mind if we take some pictures? Great, let's go take a picture.
We're getting coffee and
get ready to take off with the world of Thanks for flying with the eighth wonder of the world, Dumbo!
You're such a good pilot. Give a thumbs up to the camera.
Children, to spin your teacup, just keep turning you to the right or to the left. It has to be to the right the last time you go. When it's on to the
Don't fall! Whoa! Are you dizzy?
It looks like our tea party is coming to an end.
Uh-oh, it's coming to an
Remain
end.
seated until your teacup stops.
Alright, pin box
Pinbox number 3.
number 3.
Kingdom of Cute.
Let me see the back. So we have Space Mountain, we have a little ferry boat, and we have two of the gargoyles.
Let's open this first.
Okay. Are you ready? You excited? Uh-oh.
What you get? Oh, another trader.
that's not.
Oh, no, it's not.
new.
Oh, okay, I thought it was a little ferry boat. Let's see.
ChatGPT. Ready? Okay. Hold it.
You got the teacup. Let's see.
Teacup.
Nice.
Might have to get a couple more for later.
Let's see.
Let's take it, mommy.
Very cute. Now we can add into your pin board.
It's like a boat.
Yeah, can I see it? Just one.
It's like a boat.
Yeah. Here, so now we can add them to your little pin board that we've been collecting. So we can trade a gargoyle.
You gonna put them right here? Where? In the back? Just put them right there?
I just said,
What is it? TikTok. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's like a teacup. Más? That's scary.
Since our arrival, we have restored control and peace. And peace and safety is what the resistance threatens to destroy. We cannot let them succeed. So while you may have come to Batu on holiday, we are here on business. The resistance has been reduced to a handful of stragglers with no hope of standing against us. And yet we believe they're making a useless attempt to regroup and draw others to their hopeless cause. The stormtroopers under my command are on my orders searching this outpost to ensure that does not happen. I expect your compliance. Am I making myself clear? Good, then you will cooperate. And you will remember who is in charge. Troopers? Dispatch a reconnaissance unit and join them immediately.
You will await further orders. I will see this outpost for myself.
Yes, sir. Troopers? You will escort the Supreme Leader.
This is Disneyland on a random Thursday night.
Yes, please. Just nothing like what I experienced 2 days ago. Where are we going?
Mickey and Minnie's car trains.
Yeah. What's your favorite part?
Mickey's building.
Exploding or the tornado?
Exploding.
Oh my gosh, the explosion? Is there an explosion? No.
The tornado.
Oh yeah, the tornado. I like the water with the squid. Remember?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Here it is.
Yeah, here it is. Let's go this way. Can you give me a thumbs up? Yes, sir. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, that's the best thumbs up I've ever seen. What do you think about all these people? There's a lot of people here today. We're not from here, so we wouldn't know. We have to be here tomorrow, which I'm glad we're not.